Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to explain you poem number 5, Trees, from class 7th. So I hope you will be listening to me very attentively. Something that I am going to explain from this poem. So my dear students, as you can see, the poem is Trees. At first look at the title. What we are going to study about? Obviously about trees. तो हम trees के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, that how is it useful and what are the things that we receive from trees and many uses of trees we will be knowing with the help of this poem. So at the very starting, I would like to tell you that this beautiful poem has been composed by Shirley Bower. I repeat, the poem has been composed by Shirley Bower. So, before explaining to you, here I just tell you that I would like to give a little overview on this poem, that we will be knowing about trees only, that how is it useful for human beings and what are the uses of trees. So now let's discuss. Take a few minutes to tell one another the names of trees that you know or have heard of. Means the poet says that, poet कहता है कि it takes few minutes, कि कुछ मिनट लगते हैं एक दूसरे को समझाने में, making somebody understand about the names of the trees, जिनके बारे में हमने सुना है, जिनके बारे में हम जानते हैं. Mention the things trees give us. Now what we have got to do, we'll have to mention the things that trees give us. हमें उन चीज़ों के नाम बताने हैं, हमें उन चीज़ों के नाम समझाने हैं that we receive from trees, जो हमें पेड़ों से मिलती हैं. Then read this poem about trees. Now let's discuss about the poem. Let's read it out and know the things that we receive from trees. हम उन चीज़ों के बारे में जानेंगे जो हमें ट्रीज से मिलती है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. In the first two lines, the poet has told us that the trees are basically for birds. My dear students, you also must have seen that birds keep flying, and after flying, when they get tired, so they like to have rest. Just for taking rest, they just build their own houses among the branches, or I should say in the branches of the tree. So trees are very much useful, trees are very much essential for birds. It is their home. After collecting food for their children, they certainly come to their own nests built among the branches of the tree. Trees are for children, and undoubtedly it is very much correct. The poet has said that it is for the children as well. In villages, my dear students, you must have seen that every house has got at least 2 or 3 trees, right? And small children keep playing, and they like to climb on the trees, right? So basically trees are for children as well. They like to sit under the trees, they like to climb on the trees, and they like to play various kinds of games under among the branches of the tree, or under the tree, or behind the tree. Trees are to make tree houses in. You know, especially for birds, they build their nests. They build their nests among the branches of the tree. All right. Even sometimes we people also build a small kind of, I should say, shade, or a small kind of, place where we can easily put our belongings. Right. Now let us move ahead. Trees are to swings on. You know, when it is some kind of special occasion, so we can easily adjust swing as well. मीन्स आपने गांव में देखा होगा कि जैसे कुछ बच्चे होते हैं, दे लाइक टू स्विंग, तो उनके पेरेंट्स पेड़ों पर झूला लगा देते हैं. तो मीन्स वी कैन इजली create, or I should say adjust swing as well on the trees. Now let us move ahead. Trees are for the wind to blow through. You know, trees prove themselves. They just, with the help of trees, in summer most probably, we get cool air, and that basically dries our sweat, and we people like to sit under the trees, right? Even we like to sit among the branches in the trees, among the branches of the tree. So basically what I have got to say, trees prove themselves. They are very much useful to make the air fresh and cool, and consequently it dries our sweat in summer. Now let us move ahead. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Yeah, exactly it is. Most probably it is for children, whether it is city or village. Whosoever have got trees in houses, so whether it is morning, noon, and especially most of time in evening, children like to play hide and seek, and it is their favorite game. So they like to hide themselves behind the trees, in the branches of the tree. Now let us move ahead. Trees are to have tea parties under. There are people who like to have tea parties, not only tea parties, some other parties also, right? Related snacks, related breakfast, right? Even people are there who like to have, lunch just while sitting under the tree. Next, trees are for kites to get caught in. When it is the season of flying kite, and you would have seen, when kite flies in the sky, and just because of some carelessness, means whosoever likes to fly kite in the sky, and just because of some carelessness, it gets stuck among the branches of the tree. I mean, kite gets caught into the thickets, into the some kind of part of tree. Simply, I have got to say that it gets caught just because of uh, hard wind or wind fast. When it winds fast, let us move ahead. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. The poet wants to say here, especially in summer, when it is too much hot and scorchy heat is just going on. So we most probably like to take shelter under the trees, and it really dries our sweat when we people like to stand under the tree. So undoubtedly, it really makes a cool shade, right? And gives us cool air. Let us move ahead. Trees are to make no shade in winter. People are there who cut down the branches of the tree in winter as winter arrives. So, what I have to say here means there is no shade in the winter, right? People like to stand just beside the tree, under the tree, and just for getting the sunlight in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Not only apples, not only pears, there have been various kinds of fruit that grow on the trees. But here it is discussed especially for apples and pears. I hope you understand. Trees are to chop down and call timber. People are there, and it is basically related to their profession as well, right? People, woodcutters are there. They simply go to woods and chop down the branches, chop down the wood, and when it is chopped, when it is cut, so basically it is called timber. देखिए, जब हम किसी पेड़ से कुछ लकड़ियों को काट देते हैं and it becomes a pile, it becomes a pile of wood, so it is basically called timber. जब हम फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए लकड़ी इकट्ठा करते हैं, सो वो जो मीन्स अ पाइल ऑफ दैट वुड विच इज़ बेसिकली कॉल्ड टिम्बर. ट्रीज मेक मदर्स से what a lovely picture to paint. Students are asked when it is drawing period, they basically are asked to paint scenery related to trees, and students like to create, like to draw painting including trees, and that seems really pleasant, that seems really very attracting. And after seeing that drawing, mothers say that yeah, exactly, you have done something very, you have given a good job, you have drawn a very nice painting. Trees make fathers say, means after gazing trees, fathers say that what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Means when it is autumn season, so basically what happens, you must be knowing, in autumn season leaves keep falling off the tree, and so having seen it, fathers say that means look at the branches, look at the leaves, they keep falling as it is autumn season, right? So my dear students, eventually I have to say that Poet has basically described all the work I should say functions of tree, that how is it useful and what basically it gives to human beings. So I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.